Find the best tempered glass PC cases on Amazon. We analyzed consumer reviews to find the top-rated products. Find out which product high scored and buy. I am going to review top 8 best tempered glass PC cases on the market. 8. NZXT S340 VR Elite Computer Case in Matte Black. An economical choice with great features. Beside S340 Elite, there is also an S340 model. Beside matte black, it also available in 3 more colors: black with blue, black with red, matte white. Manufactured more slots and ports. Strong and compact PC case. 7. Thermaltake Core P1 Tempered Glass Edition Mini ITX Computer Case. Besides black, it also available in 2 more colors, red and snow. Besides P1 Mini ITX, it also available in 4 more styles. Plain and compact, yet has enough room. Good cable management system. Thick tempered glass, 5 mm. Does not support optical drives. 6. SilverStone Technology ATX Tower Case with RGB LED fan guards. Also available in 2 other options, RGB tempered glass version W/artwork and fixed LED version. Features RGB LED strips on the fan guards. Dual mode LED light controller. Dust reduction. Stylish supercar-like design. 5. Cooler MasterBox Pro 5 RGB Mid-Tower, PC Case 3 RGB fans. Besides mid-tower, there are 4 other different sizes to choose from. Easy to rearrange storage unit inside. 4 RGB fans pre-installed in the case. Support DIY liquid cooling. Routing holes for cable management. 4. Thermaltake Core P5 Black Edition ATX Gaming Computer Case. Excellent for powerful PC built with panoramic viewing. Can be wall mounted, put vertically, and horizontally. Thermaltake liquid cooling certified. 3-year warranty. 3. Cougar Conquer ATX Gaming Case. Comes with aluminium alloy frame. 7 reserved slots for storage units. Support high-end hardware. Reserved spaces for up to 5 fans with 3 pre-installed fans. 5 mm thick tempered glass for both side panel. 2. Rosewill ATX Mid-Tower Gaming Computer Case, tempered glass panels. 7 different styles to choose from. The case is covered by a tempered glass from the front and both sides. 4 already installed working fans create smooth airflow. One of the quietest PC case. 1. Corsair Crystal Series 570X RGB, tempered glass case. Besides black, it also available in 3 more colors, red, mirror black, and white. Compatible with 360mm, 280mm, 240mm, and 120mm radiators. Very spacious that can contain up to 6 case fans. Easy cable management. Possibility for more expansion. Thanks for watching. You can find links, price and description to these products in the description box. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.